This is the community of Heartlands.
Heartlands.
This is St. Catherine. Bare rain is falling from yesterday. Come straight back till today. No councillor come visit us. No one. This house over here, a firefighter just come take out the owner side. No one is joining in the house. We can't take it anymore. Councillor, nobody. Prime Minister, if you don't let me out, look there. Look for water ground. Look there. We can't take it anymore. And look there. Come like a lunch far without this. Look there. Lunch far. We can't take it anymore.
And this is on the road.
No road. We can't drive. On top of Androna's head. On top of Androna's head. We can't drive. Alright, we're going further and we see more.
Yeah. This is the road. In this scheme, bare water. From yesterday until today.
Period. This is a big trench. Look at this trench. This is a big trench. Look at the trench. Overflow. Came one ship more water. Look at the trench. This trench made from slavery days. Look at the trench. Look at the trench. Look at the trench. Look in the trench. Look there. Very red.
Everyone in this community has flooded out.
And the trench them needs to clean. If the trench them clean, everything will go well.
We need clean drains. This is the road exactly.
Because the road mash up, and live in a scheme. I live in a scheme. Look at the road. Come on.
Wait, is it?
Look here. You come here and got them to far with it. When you fell off and fall.
Look at this. Heartland St. Catherine. We can't manage the water. This is on the road.
We can't take it on the blood clot.
Oh yeah. Yeah.